Hey everybody, welcome back once again. Another relax build, I know, but I can't help myself for one. Next, this one's enamel dial. Check that out. I really like that. So, gone ahead, got us as far ahead as I can. Gonna try and keep a few of these builds short and sweet. Just 'cause. Makes my life a little easier sometimes. And well, not everybody wants to watch a 45-minute build. As I'm learning. Some of you do, and I love you for it. But not everybody. But I'll go back and forth. I'll make some longer ones. I'll make some shorter ones. Now I've tried my dangedest to make sure this is all clean. Because it's enamel, so everything's showing up. The tiniest little speck of anything, I don't even want to breathe when I'm close to it, I tell you. So let's stop messing and get some hands on this thing and get it cased before I have an aneurysm. Oh, let's get this thing spun around first, eh? There's a good start. Way ahead of yourself, son. So I hope y'all checked out my Bruce Lee watch. I tell you, that thing is so awesome. I love stuff like that. Even better that it was a gift. Come on, you. There we go. There we go. And if you haven't checked out the Bruce Lee watch, you really should. It's pretty. And I put it on black and yellow strap, so... How are we looking there? We're looking good. We're looking good. Nice. Nice and smooth. Nice and smooth. Oh, wunderbar. Like right where I want to be, too. That went nice. Well, I'm just going to do a quick little wipe on camera. I like to wipe off the little tool marks I get left behind, because you are going to leave some. If you haven't got yourself some of these silly little Q-tip thingamadoos, you really need to. They are just fantabulous. Let's get a minute hand on. Let's get a minute hand on. Let's fight with a minute hand for a while. There we go. There we go. Pardon me. I have to change my position. We're in the Sam Hill. The hell? Yeah, okay. I'm just blind. That's all. That's all. It's okay. I'm just blind. Wow. Fighting it and fighting it and fighting it, yo. What's going on? What's going on? Holy cow. All right, gonna have to go in for the closer look. See what the heck I'm doing wrong here. Careful picking that hand up off the dial. Don't ask. Don't ask. It's one of those things. And it actually went on good, and we're actually looking like we're in a good spot. So let's give it a once round. See where we're at. See where we're at. Close enough for me. 2.5 minutes too. 3 minutes. 2.5 minutes too. We can do 2.5 minutes too. That hurts nobody. So let's get a second hand on. We'll get this encased as quick as we can, so I can stop stressing about this dial. Alright, do this the right way so we can do it once. We're there. Oops, bumped the camera. Man, one day I'm gonna get through a whole flipping video without bumping the camera. I tell you, you guys are gonna be so proud. I would just like to see that wiggle down just a tiny bit. Now we're clearing the tail on there. Ah, yes. Yes, indeedy do. Okay, now let's get this thing out of here and into here. PDQ. Get you into the good stuff. Just take a quick look inside here. Make sure we're schmutz free. Yeah, I think we're schmutz free. Okay, looking good, looking good. It's a good start. Get this out of here. One last quick look, because I do not want to take this out again. Oh, we're looking good. Let's get her cased. Ciao. Just like so. Give it a shove. Give it some love. We're looking good. All right, see where our crown's sitting. See how we did with this. Hey, we're looking good. We need to trim. Nope, we are looking good. All right, I just want to pull that back out. I gotta fix my gloves here. All right, hang on for a sec. I will be right back. I'm gonna fix my gloves. I'm gonna pull this out and I'll be right back. Okay, just quick glove fixing. That was annoying. My gloves are starting to slide all over the place. Ooh. There we go. Now, I want. I'll just grab a case back gasket, put that there. Grab this. Stick it in the foam. Give it a spin. Whoops, sorry. Sorry, you guys. Should have been showing you. Do you like so? Lubes those gaskets. All right, let's tighten this down. Grab our case back gasket. And case back it up. Back it up, back it up. Back it up, back it up. There we go. There we go. Now let's tighten it up. Let's get it nice and tight. You know how we like it around here. Nice and tight. No, I'm just joking. I'm not actually trying that hard. It's just got myself into an awkward spot, so take out the tool, readjust. There we go. We good. We good. We good. I already put our bezel on there, so we're looking good there. Looking good there. And let's get our insert inserted. Okay, I just had them. There we go. Hiding right in front of me. Put them down and then they disappeared. Alright, we all the way back. Now, you know, for just being like about as plain Jane as it gets, regular sub style, this is really sharp. I really like the enamel dial in there. That just like reflects. Like look at that. You can see the reflection of the light on the crystal, and then inside the little circle, that's a reflection on the dial. Wow, that's insane. Excellent. Looking wunderbar. All right. Next step. Close that. Put that down. Grab these. And install a strap. Another Oyster style kind of strap. Hey you, I'm getting stuck in there. The heck. There we go. There. 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 Alrighty. That was ridiculous. Well, hope you enjoyed that. Watching me for a while struggle like some kind of turkey. But I think that's really super sharp. I like that enamel dial in there. Anyhow, thanks for watching, you guys. Really appreciate all you guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I will see y'all again in the next one. Cheers.